Tutorial to take the guide rail off on a panoramic sunroof. Firstly, drop the headliner, which is pretty straightforward, so I haven't given you an explanation. After that, take off the screws, which is 2 on each side for this glass roof, and then the wind deflector. So you have to pull this clip forward, as you can see, and it would come off. And then you take off this motor, which is for the panoramic sunroof, and the motor for this for the roller blind, and then these 2 screws for the roller blind. And after that, you pull that clip for the roller blind there, and then it should release. As you can see, the roller blind will release now. Now you take off the T15 screws underneath, which are holding the guide rail. And this tube, which is attached to the guide rail on the back. Only after you pull the tube off, the guide rail will come up. So all you have to do is pull that guide rail out. Yep, and the guide rail should come off. Remember which way the cables go, and that's about it. And also remember to turn these at the last position before you fit them on, and reinstall in the reverse order. This is the adjustment for the rear, and it's only going to sit flush after you do a normalization procedure through diagnostics.
Leading manufacturer of sunroof photo parts.